So my topic for discussion is relation among refractive index and real depth and apparent depth. So what is real depth and what is apparent depth? So let me first show you. Suppose there is a vessel and some liquid is there. It may be water. If we observe from the top or from the upper side, then we'll see that the bottom is at some height. আমি কিবা এটা পাত্ৰত পানী আছে, পাত্ৰটো যদি আমি ওপৰৰ পৰা চাওঁ তেতিয়াহ'লে তলিখন উঠি অহা যেন লাগিব বা পানীত মাছ মাৰিবলৈ যিবিলাকে যায় য'ত মাছটো থাকে য'ত মাছ থাকিব তাততো মাছটো নামাৰিব ইয়াত মাছ থাকিব কিন্তু actually দেখিব এইখিনি the image will be actually মাছ থাকিব তলত আৰু ওপৰত থাকিব তাৰ ইমেজটো ওপৰৰ পৰা চালে মানে কিছুমানে মাছ মাৰে পানীত মাছ মাৰে যে ইহঁতি য'ত মাছ দেখিব তাত পানীত নামাৰে অলপ বেলেগ জেগাত মাৰিব তলত মাৰিব তো তেওঁলোক এক্সপাৰ্ট তো যেতিয়া আমি লাঠিডাল ভৰাই দিওঁ তোমালোকে চাবা কমন লাঠিডাল ভৰাই দিওঁ যেতিয়া আমি লাঠিডাল এনেকৈ বেকা হৈ যোৱা যেন লাগিব পানীত যেতিয়া আমি লাঠিডাল ভৰাই দিম লাঠিডাল বেকা হোৱা যেন লাগিব সো যেটো ওপৰলৈ গুচি গ'ল সেইটো হ'ল এপাৰেন্ট মানে আপাত প্ৰতিবিম্ব আৰু যেটো তলত থাকিব এটো ৰিয়েল প্ৰকৃত গভীৰতা হ'ব এটো ঠিক তেনেকৈ তলিখনো ওপৰলৈ গুচি যায় সিহঁতৰ মাজত এটা ৰিলেশন আছে we will find out that relation so actual depth যেটো আৰু apparent depth যেটো সিহঁতৰ মাজত এটা ৰিলেশন আছে so we will find that relation suppose this is the real depth okay real depth rd means real depth up to this a tolikhonor real depth etu so ইয়াৰ পৰা এটা আমি ৰে লৈছো perpendicular direction এটা perpendicular লৈছো আৰু এটা আমি এটো direction লৈছো let us take another ray in this direction so that we observe from this side আমি ইয়াৰ পৰা চাইছো okay we are observing the bottom of this vessel from this position so a ray to yet bend hoye goise why it is bending kyo bend hoise so we know that when ray is refracted from denser to rarer medium denser pa jeta rarer medium goise eta normal or pura aturi jabo this is normal this is the normal so it will be deviated this ray will be deviated because the ray is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium right so if we produce this ray in this opposite direction jodi a ray to kami opposite direction of produce koru tetia hole I go yat katibo so etu hol direct normal so yat kota lage lage tetia hole ami yat yar image to pam the image of this bottom will be observed here ami dekhim korba ami ekinba jodi sao te yar ei bottom to tolikhon পাত্ৰটো তলিখন এইখিনি দেখা পাম আমি তেতিয়ালে ওপৰৰ পৰা তললে এই ডিসটেন্সটো হেতু হল apparent depth this is apparent depth আপাত গভীৰতা আমি তাৰ নাম দি দিম ওকে এই পইণ্টৰ নাম আমি O দিলু O এই পইণ্টৰ নাম আমি A দিলু এটোৰ নাম আমি B দিলু এটোৰ নাম আমি C দিলু okay so In this case, OB real depth. Okay, real depth. Pocket গভীরতা or actual depth. তাক আমি কৈছো RD বুলি কৈছো, real depth. Okay, and CB is the apparent depth. This is apparent depth. আপাত গভীরতা দেখুন. So we have to find out a relation among these two quantities and the refractive index of water. Okay, this is water, suppose. Refractive index of water. Okay, water or liquid, anything. আমি লিকুইড বুলি দিলে বেছি ভাল হ'ব, লিকুইড বুলি দিলে বেছি ভাল হ'ব, কাৰণ যিকোনো লিকুইড হ'ব পাৰে, এটো water নহয় কেৰাচিন তেলো হ'ব পাৰে. Okay, so let us give this as a liquid, refractive index of liquid with respect to air. Okay, now we have to find a relation between among all these three quantities. Our decision to hol ইহতৰ মাজত এটা সম্পৰ্ক উলিয়াব লাগে. যদি আমাক কোৱেশ্চন দিয়ে, প্ৰবলেম দিয়ে, আমি কৰিব পাৰিম. Okay, so কেনেকৈ উলিয়াম আমি? So let us observe this angle of incidence. This will be the angle of incidence I. Okay, আপাত কোণ, আপতিত কোণ মানে angle of incidence, আপতিত কোণ. Angle of incidence মানে আপতিত কোণ. So এই angle টো যদি I হয়, এটো angle I হ'ব, because these two normals are parallel. Okay, if this angle is I, this angle will also be I, right? So and this is the angle of refraction. Okay, this is the angle of refraction. Is it the angle of refraction? Yes, this is the angle of refraction. And if this is R, this angle will also be, and this angle will also be R. Okay, if this angle is R, this angle in this right angle triangle, this angle will also be R. Okay, now let us concentrate upon these two angles. Okay, let us see mu L, refractive index of the liquid. Okay, is equal what? Refractive index of the liquid with respect to this, because ray is going from the first medium. This is first medium, so normally we can find out refractive index of this. Okay, so if light is going from this medium, so we can first of all we have to find out refractive index of air with respect to liquid. So this will be air with respect to liquid. Okay, because ray is going from liquid of us ray to go say. So আমি প্ৰথমতে second medium, at second medium to whole air, গতিকে second medium to refractive index লৈছো. So Snell's law, from Snell's law, sin I, sin R. Okay, sin I by sin R. Then now let us take the reciprocal refractive index of liquid with respect to air. It is sin R by sin I, taking the reciprocal. It is the ulta hole to ulta korbo lagibo, reciprocal. So a to likhi to lav nai, it absolute refractive index hole. So mu L a ami likhim sin R thai ami triangle to chao, sin R is equal kiman in right angle triangle CAB, small right angle triangle, you see, CAB. In this small right angle triangle, if you take the sin R, what will you get? This angle is R. Okay, sin R Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sin theta is equal perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is perpendicular here? Perpendicular is here CA. Okay, CA is the perpendicular. And what is hypotenuse? What is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is OA. OA. Very important relation we are going to find out. Okay. And similarly, in triangle, right angle triangle, CAO. CAO kuntu triangle. CAO. This big right angle triangle, right? So again, take sine of I. What you will get? In this big right angle triangle, if you take sine I, this is I. So perpendicular is this. CA is the perpendicular. CA is the perpendicular. And hypotenuse is what? Hypotenuse is OA. So in this triangle, hypotenuse is not OA. Mind it. By mistake, I am writing OA. It is not OA. AB. Okay? It is AB. You see carefully. In this small right angle triangle, the hypotenuse is not OA. It is AB. Okay? A horu homokoni tribhujtu chaba. Yet otibhujtu hobo AB. Here AB was mo bhulote OA dise. It is not OA. Okay? Again, sine I you see CA is the perpendicular and hypotenuse is OA. Yet OA. OA. Okay? Now put the value of sine R. Here put the value of sine R is equal to CA by AB. CA by AB. Now put the value of sine I. CA by OA. CA cancel jabo. Okay. Let me write like this. AB, OA, CA. So CA cancel. So OA, AB. OA by AB. Okay. OA by AB. Right? Now, we are to assume that C point is very close to A. Alternately, we have to consider that A point is very close to C. Approximately, in that case, OA will be equal to OC. Jodi A point to C ekebare usor thake boli dhoru, tile OA is equal OC hobo. Etu ami dhoribo lagibo. Amar sokur pupil boli koy, jito eyesight, ketue এই দুটা ডিসটেন্স বহুত কম মেজারমেন্ট কৰে ঠিক আছে সো এই পয়েন্ট দুটা খুব উচৰত আছে বুলি যদি আমি ধৰো আমি কি বুলি লিখিম সো আমি ইয়াত কি পালো ফাইনালি উই হ্যাভ mu L is equal this refractive index of the liquid is OA by AB. Okay, now if A is very close to C, যদি A বিন্দু to C একেবারে উচৰত থাকে বহুত উচৰত থাকে then OA is equal OC. You see the diagram. OA OC সমান হ'ব যদিহে A point to C বহুত উচৰলৈ আহে and aru hobo CB is equal to AB. CB is equal to AB. Okay, AB eta ami AB likhisu na AB is equal to CB. Okay, and AB is equal to CB. Now in our relation, what we have got now, mu L is equal OA by AB. It is by some relation OA by AB. So OA had a Mickey Bahopar, OA had a OC Bahopar, AB had a Mickey Bahopar, CB Bahopar. So OC মানে কি? OA, OC, OA, OA, OC. OC means OB, OB yet real. It OB হয় জানো? OB নহব না OC হ'ব। Real depth হলো মানে O plus C লেগে real depth. And CB is the apparent depth ঠিকই আছে। OC is real depth, real depth. O পৰা C লেগে O পৰা C লেগে এটো হল real depth, প্ৰকৃত গভীৰতা। CB is the apparent depth. AD is the apparent depth. Okay. Finally, last আমি কি পালো? Refractive index of the liquid is equal to real depth divided by apparent depth. Okay. Finally, we have got the relation. Refractive index of the liquid is a ratio, which is the ratio of real depth to the apparent depth of the object. Okay. As per the problem, the apparent depth of an object at the bottom of a tank filled with liquid is of refractive index 1.3 is 7.7 centimeter. So 1.3 is the refractive index and 7.7 is the apparent depth. So you have to find out what is the actual depth of the object. You have to find out the actual depth or real depth. The solution is very simple here. Mu liquid is 1.3 and apparent depth is apparent depth AD is 7.7 centimeter. Okay, so actual depth, actual depth or real depth, you have to find out real depth. Since mu is equal real depth by apparent depth, and you are asked to find out real depth. Okay, so mu into apparent depth. So mu is equal 1.3, apparent depth is equal to 7.7 centimeter. So it is approximately 10.01 centimeter. Okay. Tank to water tank is there. The object is here. Suppose coin eta ase. At coin eta pori ase. Coin to tumi dekha paisa actual hobo lage. Tumi dekha paisa eklit coin to. 7.7 centimeter dekha paisa. You are observing the coin at here. This is not real coin. Upor jito ami coin dekhim etu real nohoy. Tolot dekha to real. So tolot ami nedekho aru water refractive index to ba liquid refractive index 1.3 dia ase. So after calculation from this relation 10.1 ta mane ei rokhor hobo egute depth to hobo etot poise 10.01. Actual depth বা real depth to বেশি হ'ব প্রথমতে 5 ওলাইছিলে কারবার so 5 is not correct because this will be real depth to হলাই বেশি হ'ব না actual depth to উপর থাকিব মানে real depth to তলত থাকিব অলপ বেশি হ'ব apparent depth to real depth to বেশি হ'ব. So this is the way how we can solve this type of problems. Okay, thank you.